Good morning, children. Welcome to the SST class. Continuing with the lesson, the Vijayanagar and the Bahmani kingdoms. This is the location of the Vijayanagar and the Bahmani kingdoms. You can see the region which is shaded with green is the Vijayanagar kingdom, and the region with pink color is the Bahmani kingdoms. These were both the adjoining kingdoms. Hasan Gangu, an officer of the Sultan, he occupied Daulatabad in 1347 and proclaimed his independence. He established the Bahmani kingdom in 1347 and took the title Alauddin Bahman Shah. He made Gulbarga his capital. There were 18 rulers. Among them were the most popular one were Firoz Shah Bahmani and Mahmud Gawan. So we'll just discuss some details about these two rulers. Firstly, about Firoz Shah Bahmani. He was a powerful ruler and he ruled for about 25 years. He had conquered the Raichur Doab region from the ruler of Vijayanagar. As even previously I have told you, this Raichur Doab region was a point of contention between the Vijayanagar and Bahmani kingdoms. He gained 2 victories against Vijayanagar, but in the third battle he was forced to step down from the throne in favor of his brother Ahmad Shah. Ahmad Shah not only avenged his brother's defeat, but also he devastated the kingdom of Vijayanagar. He also shifted the capital from Gulbarga to Bidar. Talking about Mahmud Gawan, he was a Persian merchant who came to India in 1460 and served under Alauddin II. When Muhammad Shah III became the Sultan, Mahmud Gawan became his wazir. He served for about 18 years with loyalty and devotion. He managed the affairs of the kingdom, expanded the kingdom, and he reorganized the administration. He encouraged Urdu. He built a magnificent madrasa in Bidar, where students from India and abroad came to study. The Bahmani kingdom was continuously troubled by the conflicts between two groups of nobles, and that were the Deccani and the Pardesis. The Deccanis were of the local origin, whereas the Pardesis came from Persia, Turkey, Arabia and Central Asia. As Mahmud Gawan himself was a Pardesi, he was unable to unite the two groups. The two groups kept on conspiring against each other. Mahmud Gawan himself became the victim of a conspiracy when his opponents hatched a plan and had the Shah execute him in 1481. The administration of the Bahmani kingdom. The Bahmani rulers followed the Sultanate form of administration. The kingdom was divided into provinces with the Tarafdars or the governors. The governors had their own armies and had the power to appoint officers in the army as well as other civil posts. They helped the rulers with men during wars. The governors also collected revenues for the king, and people led a good life under the Bahmani kings. The architecture of the Bahmani kingdom. The Bahmani sultans were great patrons of art and architecture. They built magnificent buildings including mosques, madrasas, and tombs. Some of their splendid creations were the Gol Gumbaz at Bijapur, Charminar at Hyderabad, and the Jama Masjid at Gulbarga. The decline of the Bahmani kingdom. After the death of Mahmud Gavan, the king lost his control over the kingdom, and the nobles overpowered by the kings. The later kings were weak and became puppets under the nobles. The continuous rivalries between the nobles weakened the empire. By 1527, the kingdom was split up into 5 independent kingdoms of Ahmednagar, Berar, Bijapur, Bidar, and Golconda. Berar was annexed by Ahmednagar and Bidar by Bijapur. The rest of the kingdoms were later captured by the Mughals. Here you can see the pictures of the madrasa of Mahmud Gavan, where all the children from India as well as from abroad, they came to study. And on the right hand side you can see the picture of the Gol Gumbaz. It is the mausoleum of King Muhammad Adil Shah Sultan of Bijapur. Question and answers. First question: who established the Bahmani kingdom and when? Question number 2: what was the new capital of Bahmani kingdom? Who appointed Mahmud Gavan as his wazir? Name the 2 groups that emerged under Mahmud Gavan. Fifth question: which were the famous buildings constructed by Bahmani sultans? Last, name the 5 independent kingdoms. Children, you will answer to this question on a paper, or you will send me your audio messages on my WhatsApp number. Thank you, children. Stay safe, stay healthy.